Welcome to the latest and this time sport-filled edition of News at NWU, your window into what is making headlines at our Northwest University. The Northwest University Football Club has unveiled its new kit and announced the squad for the 2026-2027 Motsepe Foundation Championship, marking the beginning of the club's inaugural campaign in professional football. The team will play its historic first fixture against Uppington City FC at the Fane de Tooi Sports Grounds in Potchefstroom on Saturday 22 August. NWU leaders and Northwest MEC Wessels Moeng hailed the promotion as a testament to the perseverance, discipline and ambition of the players, coaches and support staff. The Northwest Department of Cooperative Governance and Traditional Affairs, in partnership with the NWU, celebrated 100 job-ready graduates who completed the Graduate Empowerment Program. Established in 2023 to help address unemployment, the program placed graduates at 22 municipalities for 3 years, where they gained valuable workplace skills and experience. 20 participants have already secured positions at various institutions. The closing ceremony took place at the Senate Hall on the Potchefstroom campus on Tuesday, 18 August 2026. NWU Eagles will enter the 2026 Varsity Netball campaign as defending champions after lifting the trophy in 2025. Under head coach Elsonet du Plessis, the team has focused on continuous success. With approximately half of the squad new to varsity netball, the Eagles will combine experienced players with emerging talent as they seek to challenge for the championship once again. They will begin their campaign against the Madibas on Sunday 23 August, followed by a match against UP Tuks on Monday 24 August. Both fixtures will take place at the Gutenberg Indoor Centre in Stellenbosch. NWU javelin star Jan-Hendrick delivered a superb performance at the 21st World Athletics U20 Championships at Hayward Field in Oregon, United States, winning gold and ensuring that South Africa was among only 24 countries to claim a title. The championships attracted more than 1,600 athletes from 137 countries, with fellow NWU athletes Marinay Grobler, Andrea Steinberg, Bertus van der Linde and Werner Gous also representing our university and the country on the global stage. The South African team was guided by team leader Jan Verster. Thank you for joining us for this edition of News at NWU. Join us again next time as we continue to reflect on the impact and ambition of our Northwest University. It all starts here.